Thank you for choosing Micro. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the Micro Freeride Street. The Micro Freeride Street is a two-wheeler designed for ages teen and up. It features our wide monster wheels and a rugged freestyle design. The Freeride's handlebar does not adjust or fold down. This makes for an incredibly rigid and durable riding experience. To begin, let's remove the contents from the box. Once you've removed everything from the box, let's attach your scooter's handlebar. To do so, begin by removing the black cap from handlebar cavity. Next, align handlebar on top of base and attach using hex screws and supplied Allen keys. Make sure to tighten the screws in alternating intervals. Top screw for a bit, bottom screw for a bit, etc. This allows for maximum compression on the handlebars, top to bottom. Make sure that handlebar is centered and aligned before finishing the tightening process. Now that you have your Freeride assembled and ready to go, let's take a quick moment to register for the warranty. To do so, you'll need the serial number found on the scooter right here. Once you have your serial number, please visit www.microkickboard.com/warranty to get your scooter registered. That's it! Your Micro Freeride Street is ready to hit the pavement. Like this. Of course, please let us know if you have any questions or need any help. You can either post a YouTube comment below, or you can contact us directly. info@microkickboard.com or 888-236-5657. Thank you for choosing Micro.